What is the annual tax due on a $315,000 property if the assessed value is 40% of market value and the tax rate is 62 mils? When it comes to looking at taxes, let's just review that in North Carolina, we do our taxes a bit differently. In North Carolina, we say, hey, we pay a dollar amount, maybe $1.72 for every 100 of value, and that would be the assessed value. Well, if you're dealing with a state with mills, it is similar. There's still going to be a dollar amount, but it's going to be for every 1,000 of value. So when you talk about mills, this is what they're talking about. They're saying, hey, there's this dollar amount for every 1,000 of value. When we keep looking at this, we can also say, well, a mill is equal to 1/10 of 1 cent. So when you do the multiplication on that, you find out that a mill is equal to 0.001. So if you're paying 8 mills, you could say that you're paying 0.008 cents for every dollar. But I think the easiest way to think about this is to say, hey, what's our dollar amount for every 1,000 of value? When we're trying to do math, the easiest step to do is to make a t-bar. And in this problem, the first rate we come to is 40%. We know 40% is a rate of assessed value, which means up top we have an amount of assessed value. And this is going to be based off of the market value. In this problem, our market value is $315,000. So because it's a t-bar, we'll multiply, and we find out that our assessed value is going to be $126,000. That's not what we're looking for in this problem, so we're going to make another t-bar. And this time, we know we have a mill rate of 62. We're going to say that's a rate of taxes. Up here is going to go amount of taxes. And this time we pay this mills for the number of thousands in the assessed value. We just found out that our assessed value is the $126,000, so I'm going to go ahead and put this here. That's the assessed value, but we need to find out how many thousands are there, so I'll divide by 1,000, and that gives me 126. There's 126 thousands in 126,000, so we'll multiply by 62, and when you do that, you're going to find a value of $7,812. This is the answer, $7,812. And just in case you're wondering, if you said, hey, we're doing the 62 times 0.001 would give us 0.062, and if you multiply that by 126,000, you would get the same answer, $7,812. Well, I hope this helps, and as always, if you have any questions, just let me know.